In today's video, I show you part of the area which is called Monte de la Jagua. Monte de la Jagua is a municipal district belonging to Moca municipality here in the Dominican Republic. I must remind you that this is your channel Exploring the DR by Max Peña. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to share it to your friends, right? In today's video, I'm driving through Monte de la Jagua Municipal District, which is a district belonging to Moca municipality here in the Cibao region, right? I must point out that Moca is very well known all around the world because of its, fertile soil. And hard-working people, right? So as you may realize, this is a countryside. Not too many houses, but a lot of agriculture and also farming area, right? This is the road that leads from this municipality to El Cibao Airport, one of the international airports here in the Cibao region, the largest one in the Cibao region. Not too far from Santiago, huh? This rural area is around 9 kilometers from Santiago. Santiago de los Caballeros, the second city in the country, right? As you may notice, there are so many shading trees all along the roads that leads from this community to the airport. Right there, banana plantation.